Dito tayo ngayon sa RDU. So ito yung airport nila dito. So subukan natin i-video. Wala namang bawal dito ngayon kasi nakapasok na tayo sa immigration, sa may inspection. Hindi masyado maraming tao ngayon dito. Ayan. So hintay lang tayo sa ating flight patampa. Sabay tayo sa Tampa. Ito yung mga tindahan dito. May maraming mga tinda dito. Ito. Ayan. Mga GBL. Ang ganda. So dito. Malayo pa yung gate natin. Malayo pa rin yung flight natin kasi 6:30. Alas 5 pa. So mayroon pa tayong mga 1 hour and a half. Kaya video tayo. Try natin. Ayan. Dito pa tayo sa North Carolina, RDU. Ito gato yung kanila dito. Ang ganda ng airport nila. Dito tayo hanggang sa dulo tayo dito. Ito yung parang fast pace dito. Ayan. Fast walk dito. Ayan. May mga maganda din yung mga bathroom nila dito, malinis yung mga kwanita dito. May Starbucks. Dito tayo sa D14. Itong pinaka last na gate. Naka-chance lang tayo kasi ito yung mga kwan dito, mga souvenirs. Yan. Maganda din yung mga souvenirs dito. Rally. Tsaka dito na yung kwan. Ito yung mga pagkain dito. Yung mga pagkain nila. Yan. Hindi pa masyado maraming tao. Alas 5 pa kasi ng umaga ngayon dito. Yan. Ito rin yung maganda itong parang bar. Yan. Whiskey River. Ayan. Maganda dito. Balik tayo dito. Hindi pa masyado maraming tao. Maaga kasi ang flight namin. Pumunta kami mga alas stress ng umaga pa kasi minsan maraming nakapila sa ticketing. Problema pa naman yung ng ticketing kasi yung nabayaran ko na bagahe hindi nag-show up pag print ko sa ticket, kaya kailangan ka pa ng agent. Try natin ito, subukan natin ito yung fast lane para siyang elevator na paspas. Yan. Dito tayo. Sakay tayo dito. Yan. Dami mga pasahero din. Yan. So subukan natin kung gusto kang hindi na magsakay o maglakad. Ito, subukan mo ito. Ito yung pinaka mas madali ang sakay. Ito yung mga restroom nila doon, marami din. Bakanport siya, may sa kabila din na bukat. Ayan, maganda ang airport nila dito. Try natin na ayan. Pero may marami na akong mga video dito na kukuha, kaya madalian lang. Ayan. So tayo dito. So ito mga kwando, mga vendors. Maraming mga vendors dito sa mga pagkain. Ito yung mga kwando nila dito. Meron na naman. Um, sasakyan. Hindi pa masyado mga maraming tao. Kita natin yung mga dito. Ayan. Ito yung mga binda. Ito yung pinakasikat na TV station dito, WRAL Station 5. Meron din silang mga souvenirs na binibinta. Ayan. Magaganda din. Ayan. So, maganda din dito. Hindi siya masyado busy na airport. Pero international na siya. Kakakuha tayo ng video kasi hindi pa maraming tao. Ayan. Try natin mamaya. Ay, pagkuha natin. Ito yung pinaka sikat na TV station dito. WRAL Travel Store. May mga vendors din sila. Souvenirs. Ganda. Yan, ikot tayo dito. Balikan tayo. Yan, balik tayo. Sa kabila naman, ito yung mga binta nila dito. Maraming mga souvenirs, mga shopping. So hindi muna kailangan mag-shopping sa labas. Pero sigurado ako mas mahal dito kasi airport na, convenient mo na. Yan. Yan tayo. Daming mga nagbibinta din dito. So hindi mo kailangan mag-shopping pa sa labas. Kung kailangan mo, hindi na pwede mag-shopping sa labas. So pwede na nandito na lahat yung sa loob. Yung isa itong kailangan mo ng wheelchair, yan, mag-wheelchair ka lang para itulak. Free service yata yan. Tip ka na siguro. Yan. So sorry, may mga tao na madaling lalakad, so dyan na lang ka sakay ka dito ng parang elevator siya. Yan. So dito tayo sa D9, patampa tayo. Wala pang agent kasi umaga pa. So ayan, sana nagustuhan mo yung mga video natin. Okay, dito na tayo sa gate natin. So ito yung gate natin, Tampa flight. Ito yung flight natin. On time naman siya, 6:30 yung flight natin. Ayan, on time siya.
Rogan size duffel bag for extended bags. You will receive a pink cab from me and we valet it to New York. Last but not least, guys, per FAA regulations, you allow one personal item and one carry-on when boarding the aircraft today. Please take this time to consolidate, or if you need to check your bag, please come to me here. We'll begin our boarding process in about 16 minutes. Thank you guys so much for choosing Delta Airlines and for being here this morning. I look forward to boarding on to New York.
Yeah, palipad na yung taga New York sa amin mamaya pa. 6:30 pa yung boarding namin. 6 yata ang boarding, 6:30 ang flight. So ganito dito ang mga dumadami na yung tao. Kanina kami lang mga alas 5. Ngayon marami na. Yan. So ganito dito pa kasi parang 6 o'clock yata yung palipad ng eroplano.
Morning, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to Delta Flight Bob Out with 6 long service to DCA here in Delta Bob. My name is Royal, and I'll be your meeting this morning. All right, please announce we do have a on-time departure for 6 o'clock sharp. I'll start reporting for Washington National in exactly 15 minutes. All Delta ticket and confirmed passengers have received procedure assignments and boarding passes. If you do not have a procedure assignment or boarding pass, please consider your property at Delta Bob. We do kindly ask that you have a individual departing. You do not have a separate ticket. Before you to receive
busy na. Ang dami ng palipad ng mga aeroplano, yung mga brand dito. Yan. So, palipad na tayo. Alis na tayo. Yan.
Your flight time is short exactly 1 hour. Arrival time is 7 o'clock sharp. Arriving at gate B18. Again, that's gate Bravo 18. We'll start pre-boarding here for DC in exactly 13 minutes. Again, all medium and large bags, you will receive a pink Valley tag and retrieve those items as soon as you land plane side at DC. If
May
you need to
mga
see the assignment or boarding pass,
dito.
please come see me here at the podium. And as always, thank you for choosing Delta Airlines.
Yan. So, dami mga overhead news or announcement. Kaya pabisi na pabisi. Yan. So, ito yung mga pagkain dito. Maraming mga pagkain dito. Kung gusto mo lang. Yan. So, may mga pagkain dito. So, meron ding aso na service lang siya. Yan, may aso doon. Service. Yan, may aso. Yan. O yan. Yan na tayo.
Properly stowed. You may continue to use your mobile device as long as it's set to airplane mode, securing your hand or pocket. Prior to pushback, all large electronic devices, such as laptops, must be stored in a bag underneath your seat or an overhead bin. They may not be stored in seat pockets. At this time, please bring all seat backs and tray tables to their upright and locked position and ensure your aisle armrest is lowered.
Welcome aboard Delta Flight 1279 down to Tampa. Looks like they're going to get us out of here 5 minutes or so early. Once we get taxi, going to be a good 10-minute taxi, and once we get off the ground, it'll show about an hour and a half en route. Should be a pretty decent ride most of the way. We might just get a few bumps, but I don't anticipate it being too bad. So I should be able to get that seatbelt sign off relatively early. If there's anything else to do, let us know. Otherwise, thanks a lot for flying this, and we'll see you in Tampa.
We're Delta Flight 1279, service to Tampa. My name's Chris. I'm delighted to be your flight leader on today's flight. I'm assisted by 3 other outstanding Boston-based flight attendants. Together, we'll do everything we can to ensure you have a fun, relaxing, and most importantly, a safe flight. Before we can do that, if you can kindly direct your attention to the monitors in front of you for a quick video highlighting the safety features of this Airbus 320 aircraft. If your video monitor is not working, please let a flight attendant know.
Flying with Delta. We are proud to be the official airline of Team USA and celebrate what it takes to reach the Olympic and Paralympic Winter Games. It's being intentional at every turn, striving for greatness and the desire to keep climbing. The Delta people share the same eternal flame with Team USA and cannot wait to cheer them on in Italy this year. Now sit back, relax, and please pay attention to this important safety presentation.
Welcome aboard, and thank you for choosing Delta. The health and safety of our customers and crew is our #1 priority and the shared responsibility of everyone on board. So before we depart, please pay attention to this important message.
Stow all carry-on items in an overhead bin. Place smaller items completely under the seat in front of you and stow larger electronic devices.
Handheld, portable electronic devices, including mobile phones, should also be secured. If you lose an electronic device, please do not adjust your seat. Ask a crew member for help. Keep the aisles, exits, and bulkhead areas clear.
To fasten your seatbelt, insert the metal tip into the buckle and adjust the strap so it's low and tight across your lap. To release, lift the top of the buckle.
Stay seated with your seatbelt fastened when the seatbelt sign is on. Even when the sign is off, please keep it fastened whenever you are seated. Rough air can happen without warning, and the crew may also need to buckle up for their own safety. We appreciate your understanding if our service is interrupted. Federal regulations require all customers to comply with all crew member instructions. Along with the posted placards, and lighted information signs throughout the cabin.
Smoking, vaping, the use of e-cigarettes, or any smokeless product, including chewing tobacco, is not allowed on any Delta flight. Federal law prohibits tampering with, disabling, or destroying restroom smoke detectors.
There are 8 exits on this plane, 4 doors, 2 on each side, and 4 window exits, 2 over each wing. Each door has a detachable slide that can be used as a raft. An additional raft is located in an overhead bin in the back of the plane. Escape straps are located in overhead bins above each window exit, which can be used to assist in a water evacuation onto the wing. If you are wearing high heels, please remove them first to avoid damaging the slide. In case of an evacuation, follow crew instructions and leave all bags to avoid slowing the evacuation. All exits are clearly marked with an exit sign. Locate the nearest exits, and remember, they might be behind you. If we lose power, lights will illuminate the aisle to guide you to an exit.
It's unlikely, but if cabin pressure changes, oxygen masks will drop from the panels above your seat and inside the lavatories. Reach up and pull the mask down to start the flow of oxygen. Remove any face covering and place the mask over your nose and mouth. Slip the elastic strap over your head and adjust the mask if necessary. Breathe normally and note that oxygen is flowing, so don't worry if the back doesn't inflate. Be sure to adjust your own mask before helping others.
A water evacuation is also unlikely, but just in case, life vests are in a compartment beneath or adjacent to your seat. To use, remove the vest from its container by pulling on the tab and then opening the pouch. Slip the vest over your head, wrap the strap around your waist, attach it to the buckle in front, and adjust securely around your waist. As you leave the plane, inflate the vest by pulling down on the red tab at the bottom, or manually inflate it by blowing into the tube at shoulder level. A water-activated light is attached to each vest. For children under 35 pounds, place the vest around their waist and secure the strap between the legs. See your safety card for more information. Additional life vests for in-lap children are in marked compartments at the front and rear of the plane. We'll distribute these vests if necessary.
Before takeoff, bring your seat to its upright position and stow your tray table. Be sure you fasten your seatbelt low and tight across your lap, carry-on items are secured, and armrests are at the resting position.
Finally, take a moment to review the safety information card in your seat pocket. As we finish our safety check, please let us know if you have any questions.
As we get ready for takeoff, please settle in. And from all of our crew, we appreciate you and thank you for flying with Delta.
But the connection doesn't stop there. Our Delta Sync seatback screen brings a smarter, more personalized experience right to your seat. We've got you covered with real-time travel updates and connecting flight information, plus thousands of hours of new movies and trending series with recommendations just for you. Pick up where you left off with our Resume Watching feature and add your favorites to My List. To access, click the Login button on the top right of the seatback screen. Then use your mobile device to scan the QR code and follow the instructions on the Fly Delta app to securely log in. Shortly after we've arrived at the gate, you'll be automatically logged out of your seatback screen. Make the most of your travel time and stay connected all flight long with Delta Sync.
Paalis na tayo. 6:30 na, pero madilim pa sa labas. Winter na kasi dito. Yung sa North Carolina. Papunta tayo ng Tampa, Florida. It's about 2 hours flight. Ito yung runway dito. Kikita natin sa labas. Magaling din yung piloto. Kaya sanay sa night vision. Yun, kabila may nag-fly, may naglipad na rin, may nag-take off. Ayan. So ito yung runway dito sa RDO. Pa-taxing pa muna. Ito yung runway na napakaganda tingnan, no? Ayan, color coded siya. Ayan. Marami pagsing nauna sa atin, kaya ito nakalinya pa tayo. So nag-backing na siya. Ayan, diretso na ito. Pa-flight. May isa pa ka-aeroplano doon. Nakahintay. Ayan. Naghihintay lang ng boilo. So, boilo na tayo. Ayan. Ito, malakas na siya. Malakas na. Ayan. So, pa-take off na tayo. Ayan. Little bit bumpy. Pero maganda. Maganda pagka palakas na palakas. Yan. Oh, yan. Take off. Take off na siya. Yan, naka-take off na. Ito yung Raleigh Durham International Airport. Makikita mo sa baba. So nakalipad na tayo, naka-take off na. Maganda paka-take off. Ito yung makikita natin sa labas. Yan. Ito yung aerial view. 6:30 tayo ngayon. Madilim pa siya kasi winter na. Yan, makikita natin. Ito yung view sa taas. Maya-maya ay hindi na natin makita kasi pataas na yung aeroplano. Nakaswerte tayo kasi naka window side tayo. Ito yung matraffic na rin sa baba. Peak hour na kasi 6:30 hanggang 7. Dami ng masasakyan sa baba. Yan. Alright. Maganda ang pagka-take off natin ngayon. Ito yung aerial view ng RDU, Raleigh Durham International Airport. 6:30 ng umaga. Malapit din itong Raleigh. Ito yung kapital ng North Carolina. Pero mas magaraming tao sa Charlotte. Populated na rin siya. Pero maganda ka tingnan. Madilim pa siya. 6:30, 6:45 yata ang oras. Pero madilim pa. Pag summer, maganda dito summer. Long night kasi pag winter malamig at saka mas maganda ngayon kasi hindi walang snow. Sunny naman ang weather, sunny pero madilim pa. Yung sa unahan makikita mo yan, sunrise na yan, pa sunrise. 2 hours yung flight natin pa Raleigh to Tampa, Florida.
Ship during flight. Feel free to use your mobile device. Please keep the aisles clear of any potential trip hazards such as blankets, bookshelves, newspapers, or feet throughout the duration of our flight. Federal regulations prohibit the use of cellular networks. The use of Wi-Fi to make phone calls or video chat is not allowed. Wi-Fi is available so you can sit back and relax and stay connected for all SkyMiles members. Once it's safe to do so, flight attendants will be in the aisles. We're pleased to offer a variety of complimentary drinks and snacks from brands you know and love. For a full list of products and alcoholic beverages available for purchase, kindly take a look at your food and beverage tab on your in-flight screen. You'll save 20% and earn double miles when you use your Delta SkyMiles credit card from American Express. At this time, we invite you to sit back, relax, and enjoy what's left of this 1 hour, 23-minute flight into Tampa.